on a long layover in Reykjavik, Iceland. We just stayed the night at the Hilton Nordica Reykjavik, and it was fabulous. Great breakfast, great accommodations, and today we're actually going to be doing our own DIY Golden Circle tour. We already went to the Blue Lagoon last night, and it was amazing. We've rented a car, which seems to be the most cost-effective way to do this tour and to also be able to do it on our own timeline, because we do have a long layover, but we are limited because we do have to get back to Keflavik Airport by a certain time. So we thought this was a good way to do it. I guess we'll see. Decided to pull off the road on the Golden Circle route because we saw a bunch of cars pulled over, and apparently there is a beautiful crater lake here on this route called Kerio. Not sure if I'm pronouncing that correctly, but I can't wait to see it. Which apparently is where all the geysers in the world get their name originally from. How cool is this? Just look at the colors and the beautiful view. It's amazing. And there's apparently a geyser here that goes about every 5 minutes, so pretty excited to see that. Stop and visit with them. This is Gulf, which is one of the most famous waterfalls in Iceland. There is a part of this park where you can actually walk along 2 continents, North America and Eurasia, because the tectonic plates actually meet and drift apart at I think about 2.5 centimeters every single year, as they've done for millennia. And the tectonic plates are actually located here above land, where in most of the places of the world they are under sea level. So really cool to see. So as you can see, a lot of lava formations, a lot of earthquake split here. The pools of water here are also incredibly clear. Most of the water is actually from glacial runoff. that has filtered through the volcanic filtration, natural filtration system, therefore really pure and clear. There are parts of the park where you can see clearly, apparently, something like 100 meters down, and are considered some of the best diving spots in the world.